It's too far to walk on your own.
No thank you, sir.
Ah, come on now, I'm a trustworthy guy.
No thank you, sir.
A little girl, I wouldn't tell you no lie.
I know you're gay.
How can you say that? We only just met.
You're all the same.
Ooh, she's got me there, but I'll get her yet.
I got you there.
No, you didn't, I was catching my breath. Now look, it's starting to rain, and baby, you'll catch your death.
Well, I don't know.
Ah, come on now, it costs nothing to try, and you'll arrive oh nice and dry. Jump in my car, I wanna take you home. Come on, jump in my car. It's too far to walk on your own. Jump in my car, I wanna take you home. Come on, jump in my car. It's too far to walk on your own.
Maybe I will.
Ah, that's better now, you're talking
You
sense.
best keep still.
Well, if you like, I'll just put up a fence.
Makes you get smart.
Well, alright, we'll soon be on our
We
way.
better start.
What for?
Because it's such a long way.
Well, where'd you live?
The South was not created for miles.
Hey, slow down, you must be joking, baby, behind that cute smile.
No, I'm not.
Well, if you're not, there's only one thing to say.
What was that?
Get out the car, get on your way. Get out of my car.
But you just said that you'd take me home.
But it's too far,
But there's no way that I can get there alone.
couldn't care less.
Maybe I could see you next
You
week.
sure look a mess.
Well, I'm just talking, you got no right to stay.
Get out of my car.
You told me that you were a really nice guy.
Well, I ain't. Well, get out of my car. Get out of my car. You heard what I said.